So to get to the PCR valve on a 2000 Honda Civic EX, it is right here, and it's not fun to get to. You have to take the oil filter off. So plan on changing your oil. I'm trying to get, there's like no room. I'm trying to get, so that's the hose that's on it. I'm trying to get this off. So somehow this comes out, and there's like literally no room in here. I'm like, does it unscrew? I don't know. It's a tiny little thing, and engine oil thing is still dripping on me. Oh, here's a good photo, I think. So that's the PCR valve. You have to take off the oil filter to get to it. It's extremely hard to get to, and I'm trying to get this off. I got the hose off. The stupid hose clamps are a nightmare to clamp. There's like no room to fit anything down here, so maybe I try a flathead screwdriver. I don't know. I'm trying to get this part off. I cannot get that off. So it's for a 2000 Honda Civic EX. You have to go underneath the car. It's so fun. People were telling me that it's on top. It should be on top. I'm like, nope, not on this car. I think the non-VTEC engine ones, you can do it on top. And maybe the newer ones are a lot easier too. You can just do it from top side. Not this one. Yep, that looks like it's the part. I just ended up using the needle nose pliers and somehow prying it out. I was like, there can't be it can't be unscrew. Like, there's no room to put anything. I barely could put 2 fingers together down there and to like pinch it. So I used my needle nose, and they were just like cheap, you know, Harbor Freight ones. But yeah, this thing is definitely no good because it doesn't rattle like it's supposed to rattle. So the new one, absolutely nothing on that one. So yep, I don't know if this is going to work, but there's literally no room. I'm so happy I don't have Dwayne the Rock Johnson arms. No way. So I'm just trying to wiggle it into the hole. Hopefully I'm doing it right, but it's not fun, just let me tell you. So I'm just kind of trying to wiggle it in. I'm gonna stop recording so I can finish this because this is driving me crazy.